Vocal technique of the week, intro to horizontal mixing. What's horizontal mixing? Well, let me just show you. In a contemporary sound, it's going to be this. Yeah, yeah. Classical. It's the control of loud to soft, all in the same pitch range, okay? That's horizontal mixing. Why is this so important to know how to do this? Well, when you start listening to singing, you're going to hear it all the time. Most people don't notice how much this is happening in the singing until they start paying attention to it, okay? And it adds a huge level of coordination and polish to your voice when you understand how to do it. We normally hear it in contemporary singing and in classical singing for that matter too. We hear it as a release of energy at the end of a phrase or the end of a long-held note. Like, I never let you go, go. It's that little, it's energizing and then letting it trail away. The coordination, when you get it working well, it sounds so natural and easy, but in the beginning you're going to find it can be really hard to master and to control. So you have to be super patient with yourself as you play with this, okay? And let me just give you a simple way to get started on doing this, okay? Here's what you can do. Let's just start with, guys, let's start on this note. Yeah, yeah. Like not too high in our chest voice. Girls, yeah. Let's start there, okay? Da, da. And what I want you to do is just say yeah and feel it energized at first. Yeah. Or girls, yeah. Just do that for me now and just kind of let it fall off all together with me. Ready? And yeah. Guys, you're doing this one. Yeah. Okay? Now what I want you to do is hold that yeah, and then as it trails it off, hold it with me, you're just going to let go of the energy a bit. Guys here, girls, here we go. I'll do it with the guys. Guys, ready? And yeah. So it's a little less energy toward the end of the note before it fell down. Let's do that again. I'll do it on the girls' note. Yeah. So you're energizing and letting go. Do the yeah with me again. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Again, guys. Yeah. Yeah. And make sure in your energized one, yeah, that you're not doing this. Yeah, you're not making this husky, breathy sound. I want your core voice, your natural, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay? So that's a way to get started, just to energize and then let it fall. The next step to that is to stay on the note. So you do a yeah, then you go yeah, yeah, yeah. So I energize and instead of falling down, I stayed on the note and let it go. Same thing for you girls. Did I stay on the same pitch? I don't know. Am I close? You perfect pitch people, you can tell me. All right, does that make sense? You do a cascading off and then you just gradually practice energizing your voice and letting go. You can start there. That's not the only way to do this. We also have to go from soft to loud as well, but I'm not going to get into that yet. I just want you to start getting this idea of I energize my voice and then I gradually let go of the energy as the vocal folds do some other thing to release into the other register. I want you to get used to that sensation. A great technique is a technique where the louds and softs, the thickened voice and the thin voice are connected both in the same pitch range, where you're not changing notes very much, and then we want the voice plugged in vertically as well. I'm going to talk about that in another video, but this one is an intro to horizontal mixing, and I say intro because there's more to come. This one is a huge vocal technique topic. This is like such there's so much depth to this technique. You can study it for 10 years and be better at it than you were at 5. You can study it 20 and be better at it than you were at 15. I'm telling you, this is some crazy stuff. So, this is an intro to that concept, all right? Hope that helps. Let me know. Leave some comments if you have any discoveries or any questions about your attempts at doing horizontal mixing or doing this particular way of doing it. The yeah, the sliding off first, then yeah, letting it go on the same pitch. Guys, try it on a G. girls on a C. I was somewhere close to that, I think, when I did the notes. Okay? There we go. That's enough. Have a great week of singing.